Hello everyone, welcome back to KK How channel where you can learn to do money bouquet for yourself. In this video, we will learn how to make a plushie money bouquet, and today I am using Hello Kitty plushie. This is a very advanced style, so please watch the entire video to see all the tricks and tips. Okay, let's go over the materials. I have an 8 inches Hello Kitty plushie. This is a high quality product, which I highly recommend for the best result. Next, we will be using 15 bills of $2, some 6 inches bamboo skewers, super hold scotch tape, some regular tape, a dried foam block, and 2 pieces of cardboard with the same measurements. According to many comments from my previous tutorials, I will try to include the taping as well as folding technique into all of my tutorials. Today we will use the lily folding technique. This folding style is perfect for bouquets with accessory because it can endure the impact and is a great space saver. Basically, we pull the right and the left bottom corners together to create the pointy look. Then we tape the back and the inside to help the petals stay put. This folding technique does not require a lot of patience and practice. I will do another petal so you guys can see it again. Alright, I'm done with 15 bills. Let's work with the plushie now. First, we are going to prepare the foam block. You can find this foam block at the Dollar Tree store. I'm cutting the foam at 10 centimeters long, trying to keep the plastic wrap by taping it back into the foam. If you accidentally rip up the plastic, you can use the plastic food wrapping instead. Trust me, the plastic plays a very helpful role later on. This is how I attach the plushie. I use regular tape to tie the legs onto the foam block. I like the plushie stays real tight, that's why I'm gonna do a couple of loops here. The plushie is quite heavy, so it is very important that this is taped well. I do recommend using a smaller size of plushie in your first strike for easier handling. Using cardboard is optional because I like my bouquet to be able to stand on the shelf. That's why I add cardboard at the bottom to strengthen the base. Let's move to arranging step. I will arrange all 15 bills around the plushie. The requirement here is not to show the bamboo skewers as much as possible, and all the bills are hugging the plushie. Other than that, I think this arranging technique is less challenging than any regular money bouquets. I try to film to different angles so you all can see the technique. If you find the bamboo skewers hard to poke through the layer of tape that we put on earlier, you can use a needle to pre-poke the hole. we are moving to the hardest step, wrapping. I do agree with most of the comments that the wrapping technique is the hardest step. I have to be honest, for this specific style, I have to try so many different wrapping techniques before this final tutorial. I will be using a total of 4 sheets of plastic wrapping papers. 3 of them I will cut into 4, and 1 of them I will cut to half. By the way, I am a wholesaler of Bouquet wrapping papers, so please visit my website or my Etsy shop or my TikTok shop to shop the newest and trendiest papers. I don't normally explain the wrapping technique because it's not something that you can explain by words. My best recommendation is practice and practice until you feel comfortable with the technique. Again, this wrapping technique is an advanced style, so please rewatch this technique as many times as possible. Alright, I am almost done here. It is my first time mixing these 2 papers together, and I think it's lovely and suitable with the kitty color. Let's take a look at my finished bouquet. I am very satisfied with the outcome. The plushie and the bills stay well within the wrapping. The color is also well mixed to give the beautiful look. This bouquet has been a hit at my shop, and hopefully you all find it worth a try. And this is the end of my tutorial today. I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next tutorial. This is Kelly. Goodbye now and see you soon.